See, most online business do not struggle because their service is bad. Yes, they struggle because they don't have a consistent system that turn what they are doing to sales or bring sales in. That is why in this video, I really want to unveil something to you that has really helped me and helped my client I've been working with. Yeah, because you see, when my client reached out to me back then, she was like, because she's from Canada, yeah, she was like, she has been posting, doing these things, sending emails out, but she does not get the sales. So I have to fix that for her not quite long before she sent me the testimonial. First of all, congratulations to me for that. At least I solved a problem. Thank you very much. So please, so stick around this video. Let me show you something that will bring more sales to you, even though you are selling a digital product and or anything you are selling at all, even though you are a coach or a fitness coach or a marketing, anything you are. This video is all about how to make sales. So if this is the first time coming across my video, please, if you're watching from LinkedIn or YouTube, you can kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. God bless you very much. So stick around, let me show you something else. So most business owners think it's all about creating content or having a huge followers. That is one thing that brings sales. No, I tell you the fact, you can be expert, you can have a lot of huge followers on your Instagram, on your TikTok, on your any platform you are using, but there is something you need to understand about sales. Yeah, if your audience did not understand who you are, what you do, and how you can help them, nobody's going to buy from you. Yes, I've witnessed that the first time I started this stuff right there, because you see, a lot of people are fond of creating content a lot, spend time to edit it. They think it is the content that brings sales, not knowing that inside the content there must be a solution. There must be a solution to the inside that content. That is one thing that generates sales. So I want to show you something I really jotted down on my iPad here. So now the number one problem, no clear positioning. Yes, no clear positioning. Yes, you see, they don't know how to position themselves. A lot of business do not know how to position themselves. That is why you see the sales getting delayed. They don't know how to position themselves. You see, if you want to get sales, one thing you must understand is you must learn how to put yourself in a place that, yes, people can understand what you do, who you help. Like I said earlier, who you help. That is, they must feel you that, yes, you have their solution to their problem, that, yes, you can help them. That is how sales roll in. You see, people are not going to buy because you put I help this, that, I help you get more sales, or I help you cure this, or I help you do that. No, that sounds vague. You see, if you have that on your bio, you just better have to refix your bio again. You have to rewrite your bio again so that people can know that, yes, you are an expert in this particular stuff. You see, that's why, like, a client reached out to me one time. She was like someone reached out to her that the person really wanted an ebook badly, but immediately the person read her bio and her website, everything is that everything just spoiled the plan. Yes, everything on her bio and her website was vague. That is how she missed that client. But wait, let me tell you one truth. You see, sales is not all about you editing your content properly. Yes, make sure in all your content there must be a solution. Yeah, there must be a solution. I'm not trying to say you should start putting all the solutions inside one place. Yes, at least give some out. Yes, first of all, you give free before you start to sell. Yes, first of all, give out something for free before you sell. You see, when you give out something for free, when you give out value for free at first, that is what build trust. Yes, people begins to trust you, and immediately you sell something, they buy from you. Yes, you don't just wake up from nowhere and start selling when nobody knows you. Yes, first of all, give out something for free first before selling. Now, the other thing you really need to fix again is, don't use anything "I help people," "I help this," "I help that" on your bio. Yes, if you're writing your bio, make sure it look professional. If you are saying "I help this," it look as if you are begging for clients. Yes, it look as if you are begging clients to work with you. and which is not supposed to be so. You need to look professional. Yes, you need to look professional, number one. At the same time, that's how clients reach out to you. Yes, build your brand to a point that whereby clients are the ones reaching out to you. People are the one trying to buy from you, not you forcing people to buy. Yes, make sure your things looks professional. You can go to ChatGPT to craft a good bio for you. So please, if this video kindly help you, please kindly support this channel by subscribing. At the same time, please don't forget to share this video and drop a comment on this video. Now, the one question I would love to ask now: what is the challenges you have been having with sales earlier, or your personal brand earlier? Please drop it in the comment section. I will help you. I will solve it out for you for free. So thank you. See you in my next video.